Introducing the 1938 Ford Sedan Coupe, a true classic with an all-steel body that has been part of car shows for decades. Owned since 1998, this vehicle features a 302 engine paired with AC4 transmission and an 8.8 Ford rear end. The Mustang II front end provides a solid foundation, but due to an unfortunate incident where it was crashed into a garage, it remains a project in need of bodywork and front glass replacement. Despite this, it holds incredible potential for restoration. If you're looking for a vintage project car with classic appeal, this is an excellent opportunity. Check the link for more details. Next up is the 1947 Buick 4-door, a solid restoration project featuring a fully rebuilt straight-8 engine. With a sturdy frame and a well-preserved body, this classic offers a strong foundation for an enthusiast looking to bring it back to its original glory. It retains its manual transmission and striking blue exterior, complemented by a tan interior. This vehicle is a fantastic candidate for a full restoration or customization. If you appreciate timeless Buick craftsmanship, take a closer look at this opportunity. More details are available through the provided link. Presenting the 1947 Chrysler Windsor, a beautifully complete classic featuring a flat 6 engine with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. With its original design intact and most chrome pieces included, this vehicle remains a pristine example of vintage automotive engineering. Its blue-on-blue color scheme exudes timeless elegance. The car is currently in P&O, planned non-operation, status, meaning it's ready for restoration or preservation by a passionate collector. For those who appreciate originality, this Chrysler Windsor stands as an untouched classic waiting to be revitalized. Click the link for more information. Step into classic originality with this 1947 Ford 2-door sedan, an all-original beauty that remains largely intact. Featuring front disc brakes, this car provides improved stopping power, although the brakes will need to be bled before it's fully operational. It cranks but does not start, offering a project that requires minor mechanical attention. The body is in great condition with only a small rust hole in the driver's floor. Ideal for a restoration project or classic hot rod build, this Ford sedan is ready for its next owner to bring it back to life. Check the link for further details. This 1948 Ford 4-door offers an excellent blend of vintage charm and modernized mechanics. It has undergone significant maintenance, including new brakes, tires, exhaust, and an engine rebuild featuring new bore, valve seats, camshaft, and adjustable lifters. The 8BA rods, crankshaft, and water pumps have also been replaced, ensuring solid performance. The classic flathead V8 engine paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission keeps its period-correct appeal. For those seeking a dependable classic, this Ford presents a great opportunity. Click the link for full details. Introducing the 1949 Ford Custom, a project car with immense potential. While the vehicle currently lacks a motor and transmission, it comes with a Chevy 305 engine and a turbo 350 transmission, along with brand new motor mounts and a transmission crossmember. Additionally, a new wiring kit, fresh carpet, and newly upholstered black and white vinyl seats are included. The body remains solid, with minimal rust limited to a passenger side rocker panel. With a Ford 8.8 rear end, new suspension components, and 14-inch rims wrapped in new tires, this Ford Custom is a strong candidate for a rewarding build. More details in the link. Here we have the 1949 Ford F5, a long bed step-side pickup sitting on a 1990s Chevy 1-ton frame with front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, and a Dana 60 rear axle. It houses a Chevy 350 engine with a Holley intake, Edelbrock carburetor, and a new HEI distributor, paired with a TH400 automatic transmission. While it runs with the choke on, it will need some wiring work and a fuel pump to be fully drivable. The truck remains structurally solid, with a few minor rust bubbles and a straight body aside from a dented front fender. For a hot rod builder or restorer, this is an exciting project truck. Click the link for more details. Introducing the 1950 Ford Business Coupe, a vintage icon powered by a flathead V8 paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. The car remains largely stock, with well-preserved chrome and an overall solid body. While the carpet and headliner have been removed, it provides an excellent foundation for restoration. A minor dent on the trunk lid and some surface scratches are present, but nothing that takes away from its classic appeal. If you're looking for a piece of automotive history with great potential, this business coupe is worth considering. More information is available through the Up next is the 1951 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe, a timeless cruiser powered by a 235 straight-six engine with a column-shifted 3-speed manual transmission. It runs and drives well for its age, though the shift linkage has some play, and the tires could use replacement. The previous owner upgraded the braking system, including new lines and a master cylinder, ensuring a safer ride. The body retains its classic burgundy exterior, making this an ideal candidate for restoration or customization. Whether you want to keep it original or turn it into a custom street rod, this Chevrolet offers a great starting point. Click the link for details. Closing this list is the 1951 Nash Airflyte, an unconventional classic sitting on a Monte Carlo running gear. It comes with a good 350 engine, but will need a transmission and radiator to get back on the road. The absence of a title means it will be sold with a bill of sale only, making it a better candidate for a custom hot rod build rather than a restoration. Despite this, its distinctive green exterior and streamlined design give it a unique appeal. For anyone looking for an unusual project car, this Nash offers an exciting opportunity. Check the link for further details. Introducing the 1953 Chevrolet 210 Sedan, a classic four-door cruiser that runs and drives great. This vintage gem has traveled 50,000 miles and is powered by a 235 cubic inch straight-six engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. The car has been converted to a 12-volt system, ensuring improved electrical performance. Its turquoise exterior adds to its nostalgic appeal, making it an excellent driver for classic car enthusiasts. This solid old car offers a great foundation for further customization, whether you're after a hot rod, rat rod, or classic cruiser. With a clean New York, transferable registration, this timeless piece of automotive history is ready for its next adventure. Check the link for further details. Next up is the 1954 Chevrolet Caprice, a vintage classic with a strong-running six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. With 100,000 miles on the clock, this car still holds its own as a potential project or daily driver. The brown exterior complements its classic lines, while its patina and aged finish give it an authentic period-correct charm. While the body does have some rust, it remains a solid base for restoration. This car is ideal for someone looking to bring a classic Chevrolet back to life or enjoy it as a budget-friendly vintage cruiser. Don't miss the opportunity to own this piece of American automotive history. See the link for more information. Presenting the 1954 Ford F-100 regular cab Lightning short bed, a solid truck with immense potential. With just over 1,000 miles on the odometer, this classic pickup features an automatic transmission and a striking red exterior with gray interior. This Ford comes equipped with diamond plate full bed, matching fender flares, an air ride system in the rear, and American Racing 5-spoke rims with good tires. A dual exhaust MagnaFlow system with chrome tips adds to its aggressive stance. Additionally, the sale includes an optional ex-Police Interceptor Crown Vic frame with a complete drivetrain for a modern Restomod conversion. Whether you want to restore it to its original glory or transform it into a high-performance custom build, this F-100 is a fantastic opportunity. Click the link for more details. Here is the 1956 Dodge Coronet, a vintage four-door sedan that is ready to hit the road. This classic beauty is powered by a red Ram Hemi V8 engine with a push-button automatic transmission. Recent upgrades include a front disc brake conversion, new brake lines, a new Edelbrock fuel pump, and fresh fuel lines. The suspension has been updated with new front coil springs and rear lowering blocks, enhancing both stance and handling. While the body has some rust on the passenger side rocker panel, replacement panels are included with the sale. This Coronet is an excellent candidate for restoration or customization, offering a solid foundation for enthusiasts who appreciate classic American craftsmanship. Check the link for further information. Up for sale is the 1956 Mercury Monterey, a beautifully styled classic that still turns heads. With its distinct blue exterior and green interior, this vintage Mercury retains its period-correct charm. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth ride, making it a perfect choice for weekend cruises or restoration projects. Whether you're a collector or someone looking for a unique classic to enjoy, this Monterey offers timeless appeal and solid build quality. Click the link to learn more about this stunning. Take a look at the 1958 Ford F-100 Custom, a vintage pickup with endless potential. This truck features a straight-six engine paired with a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission. The classic green exterior and matching interior add to its nostalgic charm. While some finishing touches may still be needed, this F-100 remains a cool project for a hot rod enthusiast or a restoration specialist. Whether you want to build a custom shop truck or preserve its original charm, this Ford pickup is a great starting point. See the link for further details. Closing in on another classic, the 1959 Ford Edsel Ranger stands as a unique piece of automotive history. With its distinctive styling, this Edsel offers a striking blue exterior paired with an automatic transmission. The engine turns freely, with recent work including new spark plugs and a new coil to get it closer to running condition. Some original trim pieces are included, but will require new clips. This Edsel is a great candidate for restoration or preservation, making it a rare find for collectors or project seekers. A clean title and keys are in hand, and the car is available for trade or cash. Check the link for more details.